I was never one for vintage wine. I don't need a villa on the
Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. Happy weekend to you all. For my new subscribers, we are welcome to the members of family. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is the conclusion of the video I dropped yesterday. If you haven't watched the first video, please, for you to understand what is going on, you have to watch it. I'll drop the link in the comment section. So this is when they want to start working. So this is when they are trying to fix the kitchen and I have to stay with them. My husband is not at home. I was the only one that stayed with them. Yeah. So I really did many work that day. It wasn't easy. If you want to order any furniture in Italy, try your effort to order it ahead. Don't order it when you need it. As in, order it before you would think of when you are going to fix them, because it's going to take you months before it can arrive. That is the mistake we did. We thought it's going to arrive about a month, but trust me, this took us 4 months. We were sleeping in the room without our wardrobe. We were sleeping in the room without nothing, just only our bed. Then I have to pack all our clothes in the luggage. Yeah, so this is our room. They are trying to fix the bedroom, and the man called me that I should come and help him. Yeah, so I tried to help him as much as I can. Yeah. I have seen that I was trying to hold the bed. That is the new bed. The one we were using before, we have to transfer it to the kids room, and this is when it's about to finish everything. I love this bed so much. I love it so much. It's not heavy like the one we had before. Yeah, and this is the outcome. Look at our room now. Yeah, so if you haven't watched before, try your effort to watch it. Yeah, check the description. I've dropped the link. Can you see this bed? Even if it's stained, you can just use, there is one brush they are selling to wash stuff like this. And here I haven't decided what I'm going to be putting here. It's either I've arranged my bags or something like that. I haven't know yet. So this mirror, it's broken. Yeah, then we have to tell them. Thank God that my husband can fix it. So he said he can do it. Yeah, so you have to remove this one and we have to put another one. So this is the bed we were using before. I have to put it in the kids room. We haven't finished arranging the kids room, and this is our sitting room, although everything is still in progress. Yeah. So you have to put curtain here, full curtain. Yeah, because we are in cold time, and yeah. So you can see that the room is still, we are still arranging it. This is the most place, as in the place I love so much is the kitchen. Oh my gosh, I love every part of this kitchen. I love everything about it. I love it so much. Yeah, so I love this. I'll drop maybe on Monday. I'm going to drop how I arrange this kitchen with you guys. So I love this too. Yeah. So I was trying to show you guys one or two stuff about it. Yeah, so I haven't get another dining table. I'm not even going to get another dining table because I just got this, but I'm going to get another sitting chair, or chair for dining table. So this is my kitchen. I don't want to have too much of stuff. Just, I love how it is, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
looking through the junk drawer, searching